Today we will discuss about CCNA topic is the port security. Okay, what even by the port security? Unauthorized user is should be blocked. So that's why we have to use some ports is available. So we have to create the port security. First, I am going to simple for lab purpose. I am going to create this port only. So this port number will be fast Ethernet 03. Okay. So what are the commands? I have to make it enable config terminal. Okay, interface fast Ethernet 0/3. Okay, so I'm going here. I have to use some of the commands. Okay, first of all, the port should be access mode. Then switch port security, and I have to make it enable the port security. So once enable, choose port security and make it question mark. What are the features is available? Yeah, so some of the features is available. I have to take the MAC address. So maximum, I will take the maximum one should be the system should be one connected. So what is next? I go here port security and make it question mark. That is the MAC address. I make it a MAC address sticky. Yeah. So and is there if anyone violates, what should I do? So I have to make it port security. Make it question mark. Violation should be shut down. Okay, protect, restrict, and shut down is available. I take ultimate. So final thing I take it shut down. Yes. I done it the command. Okay, I have to check it first of all. Show port security and interface fast Ethernet 0/3. Yeah, port security is enabled. Yeah, the port security is enabled because switch port security I given. So that's why enable. So I have to cross check it. Okay, this is the fast Ethernet 40 address is connected. This is our port fast Ethernet 03. I am going to ping here. Desktop CMD ping 192.168.1.40. That is pinging. Okay, good. This pinging. Okay, I have to change whether the port security is working or not. I have to make it confirm. Another address 1.30. I have to move this cable here. So I try to do this. Instead of 40, I am going to give 30. What will happen? Yes. So there some searching is going here. So we have to wait for that. Yeah, this orange color light is glowing now. Yeah. So requesting time. So it takes time because it has to set now. You should blink green color light has to come. Okay. Yeah. And now I try second time. Yeah. It is blocked. Due to the red color arrow mark is there, na? This is blocked. Due to the unauthorized access, it is blocked now. So administrator only remove the port and make it enable. Okay. Thank you. We see next video.